Hello, third graders. Just wanted to let you know that this week is similar to last week in that most assignments that you'll find on your calendar will show up on Friday. That doesn't mean wait till Friday to complete all assignments, just that there is some flexibility within the math and ELA modules so that if you're testing Tuesday and Wednesday, you can complete assignments on Monday, Friday, whatever works for you. So this week in math courses, go to modules, and I've also uploaded the measuring capacity module 26 learning slides here. So if you'd like to check those out, feel free. But for math, you can see that module 26, measuring capacity, April 24th through the 28th. All assignments due by Friday, April 28th. Okay, so the first thing isn't actually assignment, it's just a picture of Gallon Man, which shows 1 gallon contains 4 quarts. 1 quart contains 2 pints. 1 quart also contains 4 cups. Use Gallon Man and Gallon Bot this week to help you with your capacity. So I'm going to scroll to the next assignment, and I did not stick with the activities that are located in your math assignments for this week. So feel free to go through and learn about capacity and scroll through all of these. But when it comes to the activity part, you may work on those in your workbook if you want, but we're not actually going to turn those in for an assignment this week. So let me show you real quick where you'll see your math assignments. I'm going to click back into modules. The links are the lessons that will teach you about capacity, units of measurement, measuring capacity, and liters and milliliters. The actual assignments that you'll turn in to me, Wednesday, there is an iReady teacher assigned math lesson. And it's okay if you do that anytime through the week. I know it says Wednesday, but you can complete that at any time. This U.S. customary capacity worksheets, this is a total of 5 pages due on Friday, not from the math workbook. Okay, so when you open that, there is a video along with a Kami that shows length, volume, and capacity. Mainly you'll be looking here, weight and mass, and then some practice pages. Emily drank a bottle of water after track practice. Which unit of measurement can be used to measure the volume of a water bottle? Would you use pounds, feet, fluid ounces, or inches? So there are several pages of questions involving measuring capacity, which is how much fits inside an object. There's also some weight questions. A quarter is shown. Thomas wants to find the weight of the quarter. Which unit of measurement should Thomas use? Pounds, tons, fluid ounces, or grams? I'm going to say grams on this one. Fluid ounces means like water or fluid. Continue until you get to question number 12. So I know it says 5 pages. It's only 12 questions. You can do this. Okay, for the last assignment, that is metric system capacity. So you'll be taking liters and milliliters and converting those back and forth. So there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So on the first part, you're going to put an L. If you think a glass of water can be measured by liter or ml, I'm thinking ml for glass of water. Then a tank of gas, I'm guessing liters. I'm going to undo these so they won't actually be on your page. Down here, write the equivalent measure. 5,000 milliliters equals how many liters? Well, if 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter, what is 5,000 milliliters equal to? 5 liters. Here, 3 liters times 1,000, that will give us 3,000 milliliters. Okay, another thing I wanted to show you, and then this video will be wrapped up. Back to modules. There are some extras here that you may use for extra attendance time this week. Measurement video library, all about money. Mario capacity game. I have a feeling some of you may like this. If you wanted to fill your swimming pool up with water, which container would you use? Aha, got that right. Which holds less? I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, try again. Which holds less? Oh, got it. Okay, so that is another optional activity. And I also added the Measurement Island escape room from last week, if you'd like to play that again. Okay, that is your math announcements for the week. Thanks, kiddos.